Hello, class of EDUU 527. My name is Giselle Garcia, and this is my journal number 2 for the course. In today's journal, I will talk about what makes an English learner an LTEL. I will discuss the characteristics and needs of an LTEL, and lastly, discuss some best practices to support an LTEL in the classroom. As mentioned in the article by Olson, a long-term English learner is an English learner student who is foreclosed from equal education opportunity because they don't have sufficient proficiency in English to fully access the academic curriculum of schools. This is because the English learner has been enrolled in school for a period of 6 or more years and has not acquired English language development or English proficiency. Therefore, has not received classification as fluent English proficiency. Another way to describe an LTL is students who are stuck and they cannot make any academic progress. Characteristics of a long-term English learner include weak academic language. They have deficits in reading and writing. Gaps in academic background knowledge. They are passive learners. They often go invisible. They do not engage. These students often use Spanglish or Shinglish dialect, which does not represent a strong foundation of the English language. Some of the needs of an LTL include the need for language development, the crucial role of primary language development, an ELD program that is designed for LTLs. They need native speaker classes. They need to be taught differentiated, for example, using SDAIE strategies. They need a rigorous curriculum. LTELs need teacher support to help them meet their English language development. They are in need of a consistent instructional program that can help them acquire that proficiency in English. Supporting LTELs in the classroom is essential for the English proficiency development. Knowing your student is essential. Having information about their gaps and where they are struggling will help the educators provide the best scaffold in the classroom. Monitoring progress will also help improve student success in class. It is also important to include materials, books, and resources that are appropriate for English language development, and as well as material that is based on curriculum that will provide academic content. It is also important to set high expectations for all ELL students and differentiate the instruction for them as needed. Another way to support an LTEL in the classroom is by making them feel welcome and a part of the culture. Building a background knowledge is also important for those students to acquire success. And that's all that I have for this week's journal. Thank you.